Alexa, stop. I'm gonna go on a journey. People gone starving in the place. Starving, man. Well, is if you know what's me saying. Oil be stinging, yeah, bro. Oh, it's brown too, though, brown too. With a bit of water should reduce the fizzer. Gonna make it work. at the beginning. Yeah, we're gonna add water later. When I'm done with all of that, brown these. Then we add the water. Oh, you usually use that. How do you do yours? What spice do you use? What are you making? Brown stew chicken. Trying to brown all the chicken to look like that first. Like 2 whole chicken. Got these to brown. Then after that, we're gonna make some sauce. How you doing, Logan? Going good, man. Today is Jamaican Independence, so it's gonna go crazy later on. Might come on live later. Make sure you guys tune in for later, bro. It's gonna be a good vibe. So we're doing this thing called potluck. You guys know what potluck is? P-O-T-L-U-C-K, I think. Ava, what's good, Ava? Michael Richards, chill guy, what's good? I want to do a challenge worldwide. Yes, sir. Do I know you? But yeah, I want to do like a travel around the country, bro. Like check out all the Caribbean restaurants. Who's got the best food? Who's got the best food? I just subbed and I will tune in the next live layer if you're doing one. Yeah. I'll be here later on. I'll be here later. We're cooking brown stewed chicken, bro. Brown stewed chicken. One of Jamaica's favorite. One of Jamaica's most iconic dishes. My battery. What's good, chat? Brown stew chicken is dangerous. Ha! Ha! You hit the nail on the head. How do I plug this in? Brown stew chicken is dangerous. Couldn't have said it any better. Alright. We just gotta get out. Bam. 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 You still here, bro? Let's go chill. Just have a few more pieces. Then all of that, I'm gonna put all of that to good use, man. Wait for the finish. It's all the fried ones so far. Oh yeah, boy. Gotta get that golden color, you know. Most times it's a bit darker though, but should be alright. What's good, chat? What's your favorite cuisine, man? Favorite cuisine? Woo! It looks good. Yeah, man. That's not even the finish yet. Not the end yet. Unapologetical Jamaican flavor. You eat this food, you on your best behavior. Alright, I'm gonna get some lettuce. You guys eat vegetables? I know some people don't. When I was a kid, I wasn't like a big fan of eating raw veggies. Growing up now, I know the importance, so. They say health is wealth. What are you having? It's brown stew chicken, my boy. My favorite food is spaghetti with some chicken and salad. Sick. It's good milk. Oh yeah, they been, man. It's a lovely day. The weather is nice. Have you guys ever tried any Jamaican food? What Jamaican food have you guys tried? Set the poll for y'all. How do I? Oh, these need to come out now. It's a good look so far. It's a good look, chat. Bless me. What's good, Robert? Say while I'm my relative like this in the world of pleasures come before me, keep my mind every day. How's the day been, bro? Chill. My day is good so far, but I have to go shopping, but it's boring. Shopping is boring. How was yours? It's alright. It's a beautiful weather. And today is Jamaica Independence. So we'll be celebrating that later on, man. Looking forward. It's a decent day. Shopping is boring. Oh man. I think if you're not a female, shopping will be boring always. Depends on what you're buying though. If it's grocery shopping, then I can understand why it's boring. But other than that, buying clothes and stuff would be fun. When I go shopping, my dad buys me a drink. Yeah? Your dad should buy you more than a drink. Thank you for subscribing, Charlie. Thank you for the sub. Nice food. Thank you, bro. I told my brother to sub. Appreciate it. Flip that bloody chicken. It's burning. It's not actually burning though. Flip that bloody chicken. Thank you for the sub on light, man. I appreciate it, bro. Alright, these are the last pieces. After that, this is Mr. Beast. Welcome, guys, and today we are going to do a $1 vacation versus a $100,000, $1 million versus vacation. Nah, today we ain't going on no vacation. We're doing a $1 dinner versus a $10 video. Alright, anyway. Alright, that's done. We're done frying the chicken now, bro. See, usually we fry the chicken in a large saucepan or frying pan, as we Jamaicans call it. Large frying pan, and then we don't bother to throw away the oil or anything. We just keep the oil, put all the fried chicken back in, get some water, and just put everything together. But for me, for now, because I'm doing like a large portion of fried chicken, I don't want to use this oil. It's kind of black and burnt a bit. So I'm just going to lay this to the side somewhere safe. If you're doing this at home, make sure there's no kids around to burn themselves with this. So just put this away safely. And we have this is all our fried chicken, man. This is all the fried chicken. I need some sauce on this, but I think this frying pan is a bit too small for so much chicken. It's like 2 whole chickens. So what I'll have to do then is probably use 2 pots, because I only have, I think this is the biggest one I have. Or I think I have an idea. I can remove this now. This was to trap the splashy oil. So I'm done with the frying, so I can remove these oil paper. I'm gonna try and find a bigger pot. This is a pot that I use to cook my rice and peas. It's a nice cast iron pot. Turn off the stove. Now I'm gonna put this on it now, actually, so that's why it's still on. Put it in the tray. No, but I need to make sauce. I'm gonna show you what I mean. If you go on my TikTok or look on any of my other YouTube channels how I do brown stew chicken, then you'll see exactly what's coming up next. But I'll do it now anyways. Alright, so this is the biggest pot I have now, I think. Just gonna put that in here. And watch this now, watch this, guys. So your chicken, that's why it's called the brown stewed chicken. So browning it means you fry it first to get this brown golden color. And then the stew part is what we're doing now. So it's already browned. Put those in. Bring this. Oh, this jumped from 50% to 9% charge. Bring that a little bit closer so y'all can see what's popping. Alright, so that is that is the, we're trying to make the sauce now. So see all that spices and stuff that we chopped up. All that spices and stuff. Your red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, onions, thyme, garlic, all that good stuff. Scotch bonnet pepper. We're just gonna add some water to this now. You'll have to add in the amount of water is very important. So it's either you spoil it or you make it as best as you can to taste as best. But you're gonna have to know the right amount of water to add to this thing, bro. You don't want to overcook the meat and you don't want to undercook the meat. So this is gonna depend on the amount of meat that you have. I'm just gonna do my judgment now with the amount of water. So I'm just gonna maybe half of this thing here, maybe half of that. Alright, so I've done just above half. So all the seasoning, the spices, they're all mixed together. So it's about half. I don't know, maybe this is about 1.5 liters of water with 2 whole chickens, medium-sized chickens. That should be it. You just pour that in. I think it's too much water. It's looking like too much. You can always add more water later on if it's not too much. But when you pour too much water in it, then you can't remove water from the pot. So you don't want to pour too much. But I do want all my seasons in there though. I'll just put that in. I'm just gonna leave back some of the water for later. How do I know it's too much? Because all the meat almost buried in the water. So I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. So the meat almost covered fully. So that should be it. Now what's gonna happen now is the easiest part of the process. So everything is just gonna simmer down and give it this thick, rich sauce in the end. And the meat should be soft enough to just, you know, slide off the bone. Alright, so this is the boring part and the easiest part. You just cover this, leave it for as long as it takes to give it that nice, thick, rich sauce. But we still have some more stuff to add later on to, you know, maintain that nice flavor. You know what I'm saying? But that's it for now. Also known as submerged. Yeah, man. Yeah, so it's all good now. It's all good for now. It's gonna take a while because it's a lot of chicken. But in the meantime, what you could do is just tidy up your mess. So all that mess, you just pretty much tidy the kitchen. My battery was dead earlier. Plug this out now. Now I discharge my phone and this is dead. I need to charge this up. Alright, so I'm gonna tidy the kitchen. Let's do that. Tired of the kitchen. I wish I could like play music like TikTok. Can I play music? I am going to make the same meal today, hopefully. Let me know how it goes, man. If I'm not live, just drop a comment in one of the videos. Let me know how it goes. Or you can check my TikTok, man. My TikTok has more detailed videos, tutorial videos. For those who are in the UK, what's the weather? What's the weather forecast for today? What do they say? I don't know. Seems like the rain is coming now. The event for later is outdoors, so I hope it doesn't rain, man. See, we can put some of this oil back in the pot. Cloudy. Once it's not raining, then that should be good. Just gonna put a little bit of this oil. You can tweak it as a, you know, to personalize it to your own taste bud at this point. I'm just gonna add a little bit more oil in it. And then the rest of oil, I throw this away. No rain. Bro, this weather is always unpredictable. So I never really believe what this meteorologist said. Aye, aye, no rain, no gain, no pain. Yeah. Chill guy, what time will your next live start? You know what? I might not even end this one, to be honest. I might just, I'm gonna drive. Can you drive and go live on on YouTube? I know you can't on TikTok. Can you drive while you're live? Because if I can drive, then I might not end the stream. So if you come anytime later, I'll probably live. if I end this live, then I'll be back around maybe 4 p.m. It's gonna be like a Jamaican celebration. It's gonna be nice. It's different types of food will be there, man. Like I said, it's a potluck thing. So different people cooking different stuff. All kinds of Jamaican, mouth-watering, flavorful food will be there, as well as good music, good vibe. So make sure y'all tune in, man. I can drive and go live. Is that what you're saying? I can drive and be live. I think YouTube is different. One second, guys. So you can drive when you're live. So, all right, cool. All right. What you guys think about so I'm thinking about, bro, like traveling all over the UK. I said this earlier, but I want to travel over the UK and try different Jamaican restaurants or Caribbean type of food, like, you know what I'm saying? And do some comparison and Yeah, because my long-term goal is to have my own restaurant, so that's a good idea. It's like a survey type of traveling live stream. So I'll be doing it live stream, by the way. Look at that. This is what we got. Do you think the food is ready? Nah, it's nowhere near. It's just starting to bubble, bro. It's nowhere close to be ready. It's gonna take maybe an hour, at least an hour, to get that sauce nice and rich. Like I said, we're gonna add some more stuff to it. Because we're trying to like stew the meat now or cook the meat. It's half fried, and now it's it's just doing that last round of the process. So all of this water, like this, is nowhere close to be ready. It's very watery. You need it nice, rich and thick sauce. So it's gonna take a little while. So like I said, this is a chill part of stewing chicken. If you get 3K subs and 100 people on a live, you start to get money. So I will join every single day. Oh, that's cool, bro. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you, bro. Wait, 3K subs. I thought it was 1K sub. I need 4,000 watch hours and 1K sub. Isn't that it? One K sub and 4,000. I mean, you can get like membership and stuff like that when you hit 3K sub. No, 3K watch hours and 1K sub. You can get membership, but you get the full monetization package when you get 4K watch hour and 1K at least 1K subscriber. But I've already hit the subscriber count, so I just need between 3 to 4K watch hour. Well, I appreciate you being here, man. Appreciate it. Can me and Robert be mods? Listen, if you guys show up in the next within the next 2 to 3 live streams, then you get mod straight away, bro. Because there's no one here at the moment to moderate. There's no one to, or no point of giving a mod right now. But yeah, 2 to 3 more live stream if you guys show up, then you definitely get mod. Definitely get mod, bro. Appreciate your support today, man. All right, what you guys prefer? You guys prefer YouTube or TikTok? It's probably not the smartest question because you guys are on YouTube now, but would you guys support us much on TikTok or YouTube. Alright guys, that is smelling nice. It's smelling right. YouTube. I say YouTube, I say YouTube. YouTube is more reliable. TikTok, you can get followers easily. Before you know it, you get that many followers on TikTok. Subscribers on YouTube is, it feels as if content creators on YouTube have to work maybe twice as hard to get subs on YouTube than to get followers on TikTok. Chingy, 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 chingy. You're going to tell my whole school to sub. So GG's. I think YouTube is cracking down on what should I say? Have you guys seen YouTube's recent community guidelines updates? You have 3,000 people in. You know 3,000 people. Imagine if everyone, all those 3,000 people subscribe or they're on live. I might get off like when this thing is done. Might get off live and then come back later about 4 p.m. UK time. Alexa, play Happy Birthday.
Happy Birthday and similar songs on Amazon Music.
Not that one. I should be a little bit more specific. Let me see. Alexa, play Happy Birthday, Alexa, stop.
Happy Birthday and similar songs on Amazon Music.
What's the title? Alexa, stop. I got to go. Sorry. Yeah. I'm gonna go off live in a bit. Anyways, I'll be back like 4 p.m. Make sure y'all stay tuned, bro. I'll be back 4 p.m., bro. Happy birthday, my friend. What's that? Green screen. I guess I can do that when I'm driving. What else do I got? Light on. Do I have filters? What's this? Then I will come back in your next live. See you in the next live, bro. Appreciate it. Happy birthday, y'all, my friend. One more on them. Oh, chill guys here. Alright, cool. Alexa, play Happy Birthday, y'all, my friend.
Shuffling Happy Birthday and similar songs on Amazon Music.
Yeah. A Jamaica birthday, you know. Hey. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend. One more year, one whole of vibe. Next year we're doing it again, yeah. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend. Yeah. One more year, one day, yeah. More life to you, come with the attention. Real from the heart, no pretend. Big birthday, bash. If I ever find it, come nigga, splash. Give thanks for my life, oh gosh. Watch it, they make me come deep in this stash. How long now? This is 1 hour live now. It's raining though. This book is good. This is not a paid promotion. It's not a paid promotion, but this is a nice Caribbean recipes. Good stuff in here though. They got a nice like story behind their business. Will you do one tomorrow? Tomorrow is what, Saturday? Maybe, I'm not sure. They've got a good story, man. They've got ackee and saltfish. Lots of stuff in there. I've never used this book to cook any of it, and it was so expensive. It's cost me a few bucks. That is a good one. That's like mackerel fish in coconut sauce. So you put coconut milk in there, let that simmer down, bro. See, mackerel rundown. That is wicked. That makes everyone love you, man. And then you have saltfish fritters. Y'all guys ever tried saltfish fritters, bro? That is like the best in the book right now. Fried plantain, come on. Come on. Then the main meal is around here, I think. That's a Jamaican patty. Is this patties? I think this is Jamaican patties, you know? Yeah, Jamaican beef patties, bro. Come on. Here they are. Might go live tomorrow. I don't like how they did these patties though. It's too homemade, obvious. Jerk pork. It's a nice book. Alright. We're gonna create the rich thick sauce now. It's cooked down a bit. The meat is quite soft. So I'm gonna create the thick sauce now. So I'm just gonna add a few more. Or maybe just one more stuff ingredient. Let me see if the flavor is there. So I just need to taste this thing. Alright, so it needs no more water for sure. I'm gonna add a little bit more seasoning powder. So a little bit more to lift the flavor. And I'm gonna add a little bit of ketchup. What the ketchup does is makes the sauce a bit thick and rich way before like it dries out. So it prevents the sauce from drying out. Add a bit more browning. gonna add a little bit of soy sauce, and I honestly don't know right now how much more flavor this thing will add. Whoa, it's too much. Wow, I spoiled it now, man. I hope not. They don't measure stuff, you know. It's just like just judge the amount of things by looking. Don't really measure stuff. Alright, that should bubble down. It's gonna bubble down and give it a nice, rich, thick sauce. Let me taste this again. Make sure there wasn't too much soy sauce in it. If it's bitter, then it's too much soy sauce. Right, it's perfect. The only thing that's missing is some spice. Let's put maybe some scotch bonnet pepper. But it should be good now. I'm gonna do now as well. I'm gonna just put just the seasoning, onions and stuff in there. We don't need any more water, so I'm just gonna take just the chopped spices. And then after that I can throw away the water, the remaining water. I have a video to edit, but this next half an hour or so this food should be ready. Alrighty. Alright. Let that simmer down. Guys, I'm gonna go upstairs and y'all gotta remind me in a minute that I need to check the meat. Let me just I have a video to finish edit. So whilst that is cooking, whilst that is simmering, I can make some edits on one of my videos, you know what I'm saying? Multitask. It's a little of that is good sometimes. So alright. Guys, just remind me in like maybe 10-15 minutes or so. I'm gonna just finish this. I don't have much left to do.
Let's not waste any time. You are here because you are trapped in a cycle you cannot seem to break, endlessly drawn to relationships that feel like a one-sided
You are here because you are. Live tomorrow. Tomorrow. I need to make a plan for tomorrow. After I make the plan, then I'll let y'all know if I'm going live tomorrow, bro. It's kind of raining now, so I know the event will be on later. I just maybe there's a tent outside, because everyone who will be cooking, they would have already cooked or just cooking what they're gonna take to the potluck. So I have my planner here. I need to plan my, you know what, maybe tomorrow. How about tomorrow I go live, but I'm going on a journey. Like, I'm gonna find the first Jamaican restaurant. Tomorrow I go live whilst I'm doing that. Yeah, I'm gonna go live tomorrow whilst I might go find the first Jamaican restaurant. Yep. So yeah, I think that's a good idea. That's a good idea. I need to research that. I need to research the nearest Jamaican restaurant. I'd probably start from the nearest to the furthest restaurant. So the nearest Jamaican restaurant in my area first, and then I'll go live whilst I'm visiting the restaurant and buying food. I'm just gonna go there, buy my lunch, try their menu, see what the menu is like, maybe ask them a few questions. How did you start your business? Did you start your business broke? Did you borrow money? Like, how did you start this thing? Who inspired you? I need to ask them questions. What was your biggest challenge? Why do you like to do what you do? Why do you like to feed hungry people? Yeah, I need to ask those questions. And yeah, just try one of their meals from their menu. Check out the prices for each products, for each meal. And are you still here, bro? Let's go, man. And so ask those questions, eat, and then give them a review, like my thoughts on what I eat. So I don't know, I might do Bedford tomorrow. Maybe Bedford tomorrow. Bedford, yeah. Somewhere in Bedfordshire tomorrow. And then after Bedfordshire, I might go up north, or I could go down south in London. I don't know, but at some point I should end up in London. I might probably do London last. Best for last. I'm guessing London has the best Jamaican food, since you have more Jamaicans down that side. Birmingham has as well. I've lived in Birmingham, so I know a few restaurants there, but I only used to buy from one restaurant in Birmingham. The others, the food tasted good, but the presentation was a turn off, man. A big turn off. Yeah, like I say, in 10-15 minutes time, y'all remind me that I have a pot on the stove. I'm just trying to do a little bit of editing until The brown stewed chicken is ready. Waiting for that sauce to get thick and rich. I don't know. I think there might be kids eating this food as well, because it's a nice event. Adults and children will be there, so I don't want to put too much spice in the meat. But yeah, I'm thinking that the spice would step up the flavor way up, man. So what I might do is just use two separate containers, one with the spicy and one with mild, and one with no sauce, no spice. But that's a lot of work, but I don't mind. What about Wolverhampton? Bro, Wolverhampton, bro. I forgot I don't know why I'm so excited hearing Wolverhampton. Yeah, because Wolverhampton is basically up in Birmingham, that is. Isn't Wolverhampton in Birmingham? Isn't Wolverhampton is just a little town in Birmingham. But yeah, I've been before several times. I've been to Wolverhampton several times. Those are places I go to quite often, used to. So probably that's why I got a little bit excited, man. But yeah, I'll probably go Wolverhampton. Why not? I've never bought Jamaican food there before. So yeah, that's a good idea. But yeah, I definitely go up north. I might go up north after I do Bedfordshire. I'll go up north, and then I don't think I want to go all the way up in Scotland and Liverpool and Wales. Those places are super far out. I mean, if there are good Jamaican restaurants, I might go. But if not, I just chill. Just stick to the popular places like Birmingham City. Since Wolverhampton is not far from Birmingham City Centre, then I might go there if there's a Jamaican restaurant there. And then I might just come back down south, just maybe go London next. And yeah, it's pretty much just traveling around the UK, just using one stone to kill many birds. So I'm on vacation, I'm trying to like visit different Jamaican restaurant, and it's a road trip type of thing. So I'm doing many things at the same time, which is good. Who knows, might just chill at a hotel, maybe in London, and just do, because I know there are multiple restaurants in London. Yeah, but Wolverhampton is definitely, like I say, if there's a good restaurant, why not? Let me just see if I quickly edit this. Yeah, man, it's raining, it's pouring down now, but I think it won't last. I don't think this rain will last. Honestly, I think the sun is still out whilst it's raining. 5-10 minutes and the rain is gone, bro. Sun is back out. Typical UK, man. Typical England. this, man. All right.
Waste any time. Let's not waste any time.
What is?
Let's not waste any time.
Norway, I will walk with my Savior. I will talk.
Let's not waste any time. You are here because you are in pain. You are trapped. The cycle you cannot seem to break, endlessly drawn to relationships that feel like a one-sided Let's not waste any time.
I think we're gonna check.
You are trapped in a cycle you cannot seem to break, endlessly drawn to relationships that feel. Let's not waste any time. You are here because you are in pain. You are trapped in a cycle you cannot seem to break, endlessly drawn to relationships that feel like a one-sided battlefield. You give everything you have to someone who gives you crumbs in return, whether they are an avoidant partner, a toxic friend, or a family member who thrives on your sacrifice. You have convinced yourself that this is just how love is,
All right, I think
a constant state
the food might be ready, guys.
of waiting for them to finally see your
I
worth.
think the chicken is ready.
This is not love.
I'm just gonna render this video. I've had enough now. I'm gonna render this. I already have the thumbnail ready. 4K, 60 FPS. And this is video number 53. And this is gonna be in a new folder now. Happy 1st of August. Alright, that's being rendered. Alright, right on time. Let's check out the chicken, guys. Let's check it out. I'll just play some game in the meantime. Game. Fortnite load up. Oh, I'm like, what the hell is that? Fortnite. Alright, let's check out the meat first, y'all. Check out the meat. This is look at that. Simmering nicely. It's almost done. How do you? Oh, I'm gonna put some olive oil. How do you? Let me see. What's your what's your name on here? Let me see. Let me have a look. Let me have a look. It's longer than yours. All right. Just doing this until the food is done. The video is being rendered. The food is simmering down. I haven't played this game in so long. I play on PC, by the way. I play on PC, man. Don't really use controller anymore. Need to install this thing on my PC again. I forgot my controls, forgot everything on this thing. My ping is unbelievable. Let's go visit this place. people really land up here, bro? No guns. I thought no one would land here. There's someone here. Alright, bro, see you. Next live is 4. Yep. They kill each other. That's sniper. Alright, bro. Appreciate it. Oh, I need to go down. What's that thing for? Crypto. Need this miss. That's not a miss. Did even get one hit. Alexa, pause. Pepper. So a little bit. I am back. Let's go. Yeah, you see how it simmered down, bro? Simmer all the way down, man. Simmer, simmer, simmer. Maybe 20 minutes and it's ready. What the heck is that? 20 minutes, bro. 20 minutes. A whole lot of waiting. When you're cooking good food, you have to be patient. If you want the food to be good, you have to be patient. Because it takes a lot of time to cook really nice food. That's why fast food is not healthy, because it's prepared too fast. Right. Put some more sauce in it. Honestly, out of all the streamers, you're the best. I'm gonna watch you all day. Thank you, bro. Put some more. Yeah. This is good food, man. Look at that. Remember all that water? It's all gone now. Look at that. Oh. I'm gonna end the live maybe in when this is done, bro, in like 20 minutes. I'm gonna end the live about in 20 minutes so I can get ready to go to that place. What did you start streaming? When did you start streaming? It's 2 hours ago. Well, it's almost 2 hours. So, um, yeah. They don't know my story. They don't know my zones. This looks so nice. Ain't gonna lie. I look so nice, bro. All right. They don't know my story. All right. Let me Hey Siri, set 15 minutes countdown. That's how much time this thing got left. See, it's still on here. He's gone.
So these look pretty similar bags. This one's got a little bit of a shell. Earpod, sunscreen, toothpaste, toothbrush, first aid kit, toilet paper, very important, and some body wash. Alright, so you see our patchwork?
Yep.
See the little spot, lava, terrible. When you're moving, you're hot, but once you get to this our spot in the camp, we're gonna get cold. So just stay in the tent. Don't fall down. My pillow is still not working.
Put a little bit of water in it. And
Yeah.
bubbles.
Yeah, see how easy that is to see that? That's big.
Dead bug inside each one. Oh, yeah, I like this stuff.
How about this? You like the liquor?
Yes. Liquor. Not liquor, licorice.
Yeah, you can do that. You like chocolate covered almonds?
I do. Is that the second batch?
Yeah. You might want to bring an extra memory card. The way you want to pack it, heavy stuff wants to be extra packed down low. And then, of course, if there's anything you're going to need to access while we're hiking, you want that near the top or in an outside pouch.
Oh, that's pretty light.
Yeah, it's not horrible.
Well, we're basically all packed up, so I'm gonna put the camera down. I'll see you the day of the hike. Okay, guys, it's hiking day.
So it looks like it's going to be a windy, cold day, buddy.
Let's do it.
It's going to make fishing rough. All right.
Let's do it.
Want to do it?
Oh, nice, man.
Yeah, sure. I can put that in. Yeah, shut that.
Why, so we got bear spray because of the bear and the moose?
Do you know how to use this? Pull that out. Spray. See that bush right there? It's about as far as it'll go, and with this wind, it'll go even less far. You see there's a lot of snow still up on the mountaintop. I'm a little worried that we're going to get to our spot, but it's going to be covered in snow still.
Worst comes to worst, it goes.
Yep. Would you like me to show you some of the plants?
Yeah?
You know what this is?
Spruce?
This is alder.
Alder.
See how the leaves are bumpy? And it doesn't get very tall. It only usually gets slightly over your head.
Is it the same as elderflower?
No, it's not elder, it's alder.
Alder.
Hey, it's a good question though. See this time?
Oh, is that cow's parsnip?
Cow's parsnip. But yeah, you got it.
You know, like gives you a rash or something?
Yeah, if you get the sap on you and you get exposed to sun, it'll like give you a blistering sunburn. But I don't think everybody gets that. I think it's just certain people's sensitive skin. You know what this is?
What?
This is willow.
Oh, that's willow.
Yeah, and you see how it's all clipped? Looks like someone's come and cut it. That's the moose. The moose eat the willows and they eat the tips. Check this out. Okay. See how there's this kind of green inner bark? Suck on that green inner bark. Tell me what it tastes like. Have you ever bit into an aspirin pill?
Oh.
The same ingredient as an aspirin, a little bit of a painkiller. It'll get rid of a headache or something.
Now
Bitter nasty though, isn't it?
it's like, it tastes like.
But that's why you never see a moose with a headache. See those tall trees right there?
Yeah?
You know what kind of tree those are?
What?
They're cottonwoods. Those trees only live around water and in clean, gravelly soil. So if you ever look into a valley and you see cottonwood trees, you know it's probably near a stream or a creek.
Hey, if you look ahead, there's a little stream crossing the trail. Hey, Dad, what are those flowers right there?
Those are bluebells. So you forge these to get girls. Mom loves these. You know what you can do? You want to be really super rugged? Then you